Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin immediately by signing into your Google account and picking the exact certificate program you want. This ensures progress syncs across devices. Once done, read the syllabus to know required projects and time commitments so you can plan weeks ahead. Make sure to set up payment or free audit options now and block consistent daily study slots. This prevents late starts. Finally, download any recommended apps or PDFs so you can start the first module without interruption. You move into the heart of the program by following each module sequentially. Watch short videos, take concise notes, and do the quizzes to reinforce learning. For hands-on labs or capstone tasks, allocate larger blocks of time and replicate examples locally so you understand why each step matters. Make sure to use discussion forums and peer review opportunities to clarify concepts and get feedback. These interactions often reveal shortcuts and best practices you'd miss alone. To finish, submit your final projects and ensure each deliverable matches the rubric. Quality and format matter for passing. Once submitted, complete any required identity verification steps, photo ID and selfie, so your certificate can be issued. If you don't receive the certificate, first check course dashboard and email, then clear your browser cache or try another browser. If that fails, contact platform support with screenshots and timestamps for a faster resolution. Celebrate when your certificate appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.